Welcome back to Painting and Decorating. Now, I've got a small video here for you, but it's important. It's about water-based finishes on oil paints. You really do have to key the surface and use an undercoat, because otherwise this is what happens. Well, it just peels off basically. So let's have a look what you've got to do to deal with it. Fresh dust mask, very important. And the sandpaper I'm using is this P40. Really abrasive. So I've already stripped that back, as you can see, coming along there. Look at that. So, peel stop or anything like that, it's not going to work. You've got a layer that's unstable there now. So whatever you put on top of that doesn't stitch that back to the underneath. So, you know, if you knock it, you're going to get anything happening. You know. So, important, gloves. Be careful of the trim. You can actually just put a piece of wood over that, cover it up while you're sanding. Now, you can fold this up, and then as it wears down you can break it up into smaller pieces, and as the edges wear like that, fold them back so they're sharp again, and then you can use them for in that bit there in the channels. Let's have a quick look. Let's look at that bit there. That's how easy it comes off, you can see. It's a bit of a pain to do, but really important. Comes off quite easily, really. Like that. So do that all over, and then wipe it down with methylated spirits. And then you put an undercoat on. Doesn't matter whether you're going to use satin finish or a gloss finish, you put an undercoat on. There you go, that's it for this video.